classmates, welcome back to Aden's vlog. This is Mami J. We're continuing our Tesda online class, food processing. We are in Unit 3, Basic of Food Processing, Lesson 3, Quality Control Parameter. So, introduction. Quality control parameter are quantitative measures of a physical and chemical characteristic of processed food. This lesson will discuss what these parameters are and how to measure them. 1. Total soluble solid. Topic 2. Temperature. Topic 3. Salinity. Topic 4. Moisture content. Topic 5. Water activity. And 6. pH. So we're in topic 1. Total soluble solid. Definitions refers to sugar content in solutions wherein sugar is the major component. Honey, example honey juice and syrup. The importance, determining the sugar content of the fruit. Instrument for measurement is refractometer. Unit of measures is degree Brix. Method of measurement is trial 1, trial 2, trial 3, equals to Brix. So, how to calibrate a refractometer? 1. Using pipe, place 2 or 3 drops of distilled water into the prime's surface. 2. Close the daylight plate and allow to sit for 30 seconds. Number 3. Hold the refractometer to the direction of a natural light source and look into the eyepiece. How to calibrate a refractometer? Select that in the figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. Yun ang mga example. You will see a scale such as the picture. Number 4 is turn the calibration screw until the blue and white field meet at 0. 6. Clean the prime's surface and daylight plate. Your refractometer is now calibrated. So there's a video. You can watch.
Ensure that the refractometer prism surface is clean and dry. Take a small amount of the sample and drop it onto the prism of the refractometer. Close the plate. Look through the eye while placing the prism under natural light. Take the reading of where the base of the blue color sits on the scale and record the percentage of sugar. Clean the refractometer immediately with a damp tissue and dry thoroughly. Take 3 trial samples and get the average.
So that is the video about calibrate of refractometer. We're going to the topic 2, which is temperature. Definition refers to coldness or hotness of an object or substance. The importance is determining whether or not food is being cooked to a safe medium internal temperature to destroy any harmful microorganism. So instrument of measurement is thermometer. Unit of measurement is Celsius and Fahrenheit. Method of measurement. Meat. For meat, insert 2 to 2.5 inches deep into the thickest part of the food and read it. Read in 1 or 2 minutes. Thermometer. Leave in the side of the pot while the raw materials are being cooked for monitoring. How to calibrate the thermometer? Insert thermometer into the pot of boiling water. Make sure it does not touch the bottom of the pot. Leave it on for 10 minutes. The thermometer should read 100 Celsius or 212 Fahrenheit. If this is not the case, record the difference. If, for example, your thermometer reads boiling water at 90 Celsius, then you should remember that it reads temperatures 10 degrees lower than the actual temperature. Okay. Or you can simply replace your candy thermometer. So, how to use a thermometer? Insert your thermometer into the pot while cooking. Make sure it does not touch the bottom of the pot. Continue to cook the mixture until it reaches the desired temperature. So, yan ang temperature. So, we're going to topic 3. Salinity. Definition. Refers to concentration of salt in the solution. Okay. Importance, monitoring and controlling the sodium content of processed food. Instrument for measurement, salinometer. Unit of measurement is percentage of salt. Salinity method of measurement. Transfer the brine solution into the graduated cylinder. Dip the salinometer into the graduated cylinder. 2. Salinity method of measurement. Allow the salinometer to float against the solution. Wait until the salinometer has stabilized. Take the reading of where the highest meniscus levels with the measurement on the salinometer. Rinse the salinometer with distilled water and dry after use. So, yan ang salinometer. Going to topic 4, measurement. Moisture content. Moisture content definition refers to quantity of water contained in a food sample measured by weight loss on drying. Importance, help determine the shelf life of food. Instrument for measurement, moisture analyzer. Unit of measurement is percentage of MC, moisture content. The formula of moisture content is percent of moisture content equals wet weight, dry weight, or W times 100. So, moisture content. Method of measurement. Most moisture analyzer automatically compute for the percentage of moisture content. Number 1, place the sample plate on the sample plate holder, then tear the balance. Spread a recommended amount of product evenly on the sample plate and record the weight. This is called the weight and will be the basic of loss on drying. Moisture content. Moisture, most moisture content automatically compute. Okay. Number 3. Close the cover of the moisture analyzer to start the process. The display panel continually updates the status of the process, and reading stops when drying is complete and the dry weight is stable, or after a mixed time. Yun ang measure content. Topic 5, water activity. Water activity definition refers to the amount of free or non-chemical bound water in food that is available for microbial growth. Water activity importance used as a critical control point for hazard. It's a CCP program. More relevant in affecting self-life, texture, flavor, and smell. At certain AW levels, microorganism proliferate. E. coli or Pseudomonas Staphylococcus aureus Balicius subtilis. Microbial proliferation slowed down below a water activity levels of 0.50. Water activity instrument for measurement. Water activity meter. Unit of measurement. AW range between 0 to 1. Water activity method of measurement. Place the sample in a disposable sample cup. Completely cover the bottom of the cup. Be careful not to fill the cup more than half full, as this will contaminate the sample chamber. Make sure that the rim and outside of the sample cup are clean. Unfasten and lift the sample chamber. Place the sample cup in the chamber tray and push the lid down firmly. Method of measurement. Move the lever to the read position. This will seal the chamber and start the reading. When the device is finished measuring the sample, the light activity, and sample temperature will be displayed on the screen. Remove sample when finished sampling. So yan ang topic 5. We're going to topic 6. Definition of pH meter. Refers to a concentration of hydrogen ions in aqueous solution, which determines the acidity or basicity of the said solution. Abbreviation for power of hydrogen acidic solution have a lower pH. Power of hydrogen pala yung pH. While basic solution have a higher pH. Power of hydrogen. pH meter. Power of hydrogen meter. Importance determines the acidity or basicity of the said solution. Instrument for measurement is pH meter. Unit of measurement is 0 to 14 along pH scale. Method of measurement. Set the mode of pH and adjust the temperature to 25 Celsius. 25 degrees Celsius. Rinse the probe of the meter with distilled water. Place in a pH 7 solution and leave on for 30 seconds to allow stabilization. Adjust the meter to read pH 7. Rinse the probe again with the distilled water. Place in a pH 4 solution and leave on for 30 seconds to allow stabilization. Adjust the meter to read pH 4. So, merong video. Well, what's the video?
How to use a pH meter. Turn the pH meter on. Remove the protective cap and place your probe into the sample solution. Wait for the reading to stabilize. Take the pH reading. Then rinse and wipe the probe after use.
So it's easy, guys. That's the pH meter. So we're going to an activity quality control parameter. Choose the best answer in the multiple choice given. What is importance of pH meter? A help. Oops, wait. Bakit ka? Malik yan. Determining whether or more not food is being cooked to a safe medium internal temperature to destroy any harmful or microorganism, or determines the acidity or basicity of the said solution, or help determining the shelf life of food, or use a critical control point of each CCP program. So pH meter is about acidity and basicity. So yun. Okay, we're correct. Refers to the amount of free or non-chemical bound water in a food that is... Oh, bakit ka bumabalik? Wait, sorry. Napipindot ko pala. So ito, determining this to. Importance of pH meter. Yun. So next, refers to amount of free or non-chemical bound water in food that is available for microbial growth. So ito, free or non-chemical bound water activity to. Yun. So what is the formula of moisture content? Moisture content is weight loss, weight, and dry weight. Okay. Dito. Ito yung correct. So refers to quantity of water contained in a food sample measured by weight loss on drying. Refers to quantity of water contained, moisture content. Yun. What is the importance of salinity? Help determine the life of monitoring the controlling the sodium content of processed food, determining the sugar content of the fruit, or determining whether the food is being cooked. Dito tayo sa sodium. Okay. Refers to concentration of salt in the solution. pH meter, temperature, salinity, moisture, salinity. What is the instrument of temperatures? Instrument, Celsius or Fahrenheit, degree Brix. The unit of instrument of the temperature is Celsius and Fahrenheit. Okay. Refers to the coldness or hotness of an object or substance. Temperature. What is the instrument of total soluble solid? Instrument. Salinometer, prectometer, moisturizer, refractometer. Refers to sugar content of the solution. Sugar content means total solid. Total solid. Ayun. So, yun guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.